2022.
Yes.
Okay, so what made you start to like the style of Begoro?
Siguro dahil sa reference na binili ko somewhere in a social media account and naisip ko siya na, so bakit ito like, styling ko siya. And ayun, nag-comment kami sa friend na, oh, you sure? So, hindi ko alam knowledge anything about her lang.
Okay.
And sinashare ko ito. Hindi ko pala yung encourage ko. Sobrang nagawa ko and now, ayan. Nagawa ko na siya.
So, I wanted to ask, why Begoro specifically?
Kasi sobrang colorful and sobrang cute. Sin.
Ayun, okay. So, really, you started out on cute and then actually you like it. Tapos yung further na siya. Ayun, yun pala yun. Okay, so the last two questions maybe. So, second to last question is, what are the challenges of styling ng Begora and how did you overcome it? Well, perfect. Ay, alam mo, yung nakakainit niya.
Yes, super, mainit dito sa Pilipinas. And wala mga sa akin. So,
Iis ka siya.
yes.
Easy na yan.